Hey guys, it's time to unbox the baby Galaxy, which is the Galaxy Grand Prime Pro 2018. This is the cheapest Galaxy phone Samsung has released in 2018. So I got this phone like a couple of weeks ago, so got busy in some other stuff, but now we're gonna unbox this phone right here, right now. All right, I got my knife here. Let's just cut this real easy. There goes the plastic, and pretty simple box. You can see that we do have the warranty card, and I'm not sure if this phone is launched in other countries or other markets. I think it's exclusive to Pakistan. I might be wrong, but yeah, this is the Galaxy Grand Prime Pro. You guys know on this channel we review all kinds of phones, whether it's budget or flagship. So before I open the box, you can see that as usual we got the main specification on the back. You can see we have a Super AMOLED display. I believe the last model that they had in the Prime series was actually coming with a normal LCD display, and Qualcomm Snapdragon 425 processor, along with a 16GB of internal memory and 1.5 gigs of RAM. So the pricing of this phone is 19,000 PKR, which is about $190 or almost $200. So let's slide this one out, and here we have the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro 2018. So we do have that written on the sticker. Let's pull the phone out and leave it on the side. Let's take a look at the accessories first. We have the quick start guide. Got normal headphones, no AKG stuff. It's just a very normal headphones, actually cheaper than the ones they ship with their Galaxy A8 2018 phone. So we also have the USB cable. This is not Type-C, so just a normal USB 2.0 cable, charging adapter, and we also have a battery. So reminds me of the old times when we had the removable back with the Galaxy phone. So let's move this stuff to the side and let's peel the plastic off from this baby Galaxy. Okay, as you can see that the phone is looking pretty shiny. Almost feels like you have a metal back on the phone, but it's actually not metal, it's plastic. So you should be able to remove the back and insert the battery inside, as well as SIM cards and the micro SD card. So you do have the option to insert 2 SIM cards because it is a dual SIM phone. You can see the Duos logo at the back. We got our 8-megapixel camera with LED flash and also the speaker right next to it. So the design kind of matches the look of the Galaxy J7 2017 series, the J7 Pro 2017 phones that they launched. So since it is a Pro phone, they have this same design. Guys, the old days are back, at least with this phone, but it's not coming back with the flagship phone. So Samsung has moved on to the premium stuff. So let's just close this, and time to power up the phone for the first time. As you can see, Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro. So this is a 5-inch display with the 960 by 540 resolution, Super AMOLED, and right from the boot I can definitely see that it is looking a pretty good display for the price. I mean, compared to the previous Grand Prime phone, this is definitely looking sharp. It is about to turn on, and okay, it's on. We're just gonna go ahead and start the setup. So we don't have any fingerprint scanner with the Grand Prime Pro 2018 phone. I guess you're paying less, which means Samsung is not giving you the fingerprint scanner with this phone, and you have these options to secure your phone. So we have the pattern, pin code, or password, kind of like the old days, like the Galaxy S4 and before that days. So we're just gonna go with not now, and boom, boom, agree, and we are done with the setup. Okay, looking pretty neat. So I guess the software is, yes, the latest and the greatest, just like their top-end flagship. So this is the Samsung Experience UI running on top of this phone. I'm pretty sure it is Android 7.1 Nougat. Let's see. Okay, yes, this is Android 7.1.1 Nougat, Samsung Experience 8.5. This is the same version that we currently have with the Galaxy S8 and the Note 8. We do have the Oreo, but it is in final beta stages. It will get released pretty soon. The stable version will be out. I'll be making a video on that. But yeah, currently this phone is on par software-wise with the Samsung Samsung's top phone. So I gotta say, Samsung has done a great job with the display of this phone. It's actually looking pretty sharp thanks to the Super AMOLED technology, and it is definitely great for this price point. And also this phone feels snappy as well. Look at how fast it opens applications, and the home button speed is really good because since there's no fingerprint scanner, it's just gonna instantly work. Let's see if there's Bixby or not. Okay, so we have the briefing by Flipboard. Let's hold on to this, and yep, I think there is no Bixby. Let's reconfirm that by going into the setting and search Bixby, and no result found. So 2018 Samsung phone with no Bixby. That is pretty freaking awesome. I'm pretty sure every single phone that they were gonna release will indeed have Bixby, but this phone is boss. Here you can see in the quick toggles, we got all of our cool features that Samsung provides with their flagship phones. So the power saving mode is there. Secure folder option is also here. Obviously, there is no always on mode, but apart from that, it is having most of the features from the top end phones. And let's just check the camera out. So this is an 8-megapixel camera with LED flash on the back. You can touch to focus, and you can shoot videos up to 1080p. So it's a decent camera, or like, I mean, in good lighting situation, you should be able to get some pretty okay looking pictures. And same goes for the outside picture quality. And camera UI also looks very similar to the Samsung's flagship phone. So we have all our modes on the side. There's even a pro mode, control the ISO/white balance, night mode, HDR. Also, we have a 5-megapixel front camera with LED flash on front. So if you're taking selfies in like a completely dark environment, you can definitely use this LED flash. And here is the selfie result, and from this you can see that it may not be that good phone for those who want to up their Instagram game or Snapchat game. I mean, this is a pretty budget camera system. So yeah, that's all we have with the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Pro. It's a very simple phone for those who don't want the best features. They just want a phone that has these smart abilities. I mean, most of the good thing about this is with the software, that it does run a pretty good software, which is very similar to their flagship phones. But other than that, you should not expect too much out of this. I'm sure you should be able to get some Xiaomi phones in this price range in Pakistan, which I think could provide more value to you feature-wise. But yeah, this is Samsung's baby Galaxy. It was fun looking at this phone, interesting stuff. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Peace out.